Shout out to you guys. Share this video, guys. Share this video. I want to see a exposed person. Nothing new mods. Well, this is my new mod style. You got my pot now. This is my new mod style.
Look, wow. Prezzo, ma dai. Deichmann, le migliori scarpe ai migliori prezzi.
I I say now. And then once I give you one, you say, I want it. Oh, you know, oh, you can a man at boy. Oh, Mario, can no van a cow. Iye-eki, never know my year. No house to work. Papa, what's so? Oh, I say, it go the yellow. And then now we need apple. And then you have to say, and then I'm only out of the bobby. And I was saying, well, no, I say, I was saying, I know my year one, now you're a big way. Oh, we say, no, I went away away. Wahala, I was saying, well, no, I say. When they put on the sister, no, I say, no, I say now. I say, I don't know, I was saying, no, my yet, no, yes, where you're young, well, I was saying, no, my yet. Oh, that's no, I was saying, the summer year. In your boy, yes, I was saying, no, equal. BECKY, I must greet you. Alright guys, please share this video. Let's talk about this so-called Obaname. Yes. We're not share the video. We are going to talk about a particular song. From there we'll go straight to the Obaname of TikTok. All the Ohe of TikTok. When I come step for Q. Make I talk some sense out of my head. All the Ohe wait there for TikTok. Ohe of TikTok, Ohe of Facebook, Ohe of social media. All those people where they pack beat for neck. Awe, mami water on your diame. That walk up yes yo. Oh, hey. Rita boys. Muna relax first. Let me go and bring the Obaname. I wanna what they look good. Alright. Who are all that people? I'm gonna share this video. You see this particular song with the trend now. It's a very wrong song, but people never see the wrong of this song. So I want to know of the wrong of this. I'm gonna share the video. This song we're gonna play so. Wanna listen?
나나처럼 Egogonola, popular everywhere you go. Abaname, 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 niyeme, abaname, 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 asanaruke, ewala balaba niyomo, murumeo.
All right. Abaname, 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 abaname niyomo, abaname, abaname, abaname osenoruke, emwe lagba niyomo. Okay. Now it means the abaname of Egogonola is a woman. Now listen and listen very good. We get to abaname. The female na mami water noro diame. The female, the one we get when lagba na mami water me noro diame, o diame me, you are me gu me o diame. Mami water na be the woman. The male, the man for inside na be obaname. When in this thing say obaname, 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 obaname ni yeme. Obaname is not a murder. Egogo, you want to have here with the way I change your age. Obaname, oh, whoa, Obaname, piano. If you want to praise man. Let us know, say that man you praise. Don't use man, name praise woman. The Obaname, the whole world know. The Obaname of those states. The Obaname where the whole Benin know. Now, we are. Now, the mami water. Now be the woman. Mami water oh ho. Obaname na ga okpia. Enwe lagba ni yomo. Imane ke no Obaname na no gbasawo. Obaname okpia no. Ho. Ama go to them lagba. Abi ivie ko yoko nero mo. If you talk ekia gidigba nero mo ma ho. Mami water enwe lagba ni yomo is a very clear matter. Oh yes, you are talking to the female goddess. The female goddess in the sea is called Mami Water. While the male god is called Obaname. Obaname ne rame. Obaname ne baba. If you call lagba ne romo. You understand? Eka gbada ne romo. Not be Obaname. Obaname ni yeme. Obaname is not iye, it's a ra. It is clear. In case of our children will come to Bodo, they play this music, say Obaname na woman. Obaname is not a woman. You guys should understand this one very clear. Share this video. I made this way going on that day. Obaname na man. Mami water me no ro diame, o diame me. You wa me gu me o diame. Mami water that be the woman, that be the female. All those Obaname children, I say I was not fake. I give una time, make una play this song well. Make I see any of una where they do this TikTok, we go fit correct this guy. Say this song where he sing so now the wrong song. None of una fit correct this guy. You guys just believe on that. Hey, when lagba ni your body, they carry their head. No even know the reality. And waiting this guy they talk about the meaning of the wrong things when they talk. No know. If song just come on our own, as I say, just it already go to Mami Water things. Make una just dance because na Mami Water. But here at your Obaname. Ah, goes to the Mami Water we dey for TikTok. I mean, we no TikTok walare. You see, most of all these women we don't pay for road work for abroad. At the end of the day, they get certificate of being a single mother. Yeah, I said wow. They get certificate of being a single mother. The end, the man don't dump them for social and depression and humiliation. They get no choice that to go to join, go send to go house. They do Bitcoin for them. They package and go Olokun or Mila. Aproko. All the man, all the juju within this whole world, all the symbol of all the juju within this whole world, necklace, they will pack it for neck. They will say they be they will call you spider rub body, come put ikpigo for head, but ikpigo lelito. Some of them go leave their hair, they don't go bath for good 3 months. 3 months they don't go bath, their hair go smell, they go twist their head, say that na they be. They will come stay for TikTok just to deceive innocent women. Add their frustration to their own frustration too. As I can't do so, as I As I just did now, I bath clean, use better pep, spray better pep, use roll up, rub my armpit. You can't imagine say, come say, oh, local chocolate, oh, mommy water, oh, abana me, oh, go back one son, oh, gunere, oh, guneze, oh, gunere, gunami don't come, gunami, hey, sister, we will they look me so they'll give you a document next week. Hey, oh, gunawaka, oh, gunaweke. You get this perfume, see this perfume where they use to, this perfume is from India, this perfume is from Asaboro water, now 500 euro. Oh, your bar. They don't fail for road work on our brain they want use. You see all this fake mommy water with they abroad we don't blow. They not blow. Now TikTok the one come blow. They could use my head. Bandits they key for Benin now. All the urban way they Benin, all the mommy water, all the olokun, all the sango, all the ogboni, all the ogboliwi where they Benin. Esther edokpayi, all the ogboni wanna join. Ogboni now proud to be ogboni members. Una not use of body now. Take go the fight mommy water. Now the same police go the fight mommy water. Police go the fight bandits. Bandits they kill our farmers for Benin. Mommy water that they sleep. Upon them they sleep. Upon them they take a nap. Una they sleep abi. Bandits they cloud for Benin now. Ogboni they sleep. Ogboni we. Una there is as they cut goat leg. They use something they drink garri. You understand? Una not use now ogboni we. Ogboni. Una not use na ek parek now. Take go kill bandits and Burkina the slaughter my family for village there. Fake-minded people. You understand? Others when they come and say, there be yenoma, there be yenoma, not no yenoma, there be asakpeka, there be asakpeko, there be asaboko, ogboni, ogboweke. What do they call themselves? What did they give themselves name? Fake people, fake shrines, fake juju when they work. Fake ones that they be. They don't contribute to the economy of the country. We are Ogboni day. People are dying every day. Hungry want to kill our country. Our country is going backward. All the name of Ogboni, Ogboweko, Ogbewewe. Go not go, come not come. The country is sinking. Edo is going down on daily basis. They go see they say now so they want go kwakwebo. Ya kwakwebo. Ya ohe. Ya do kwakwebo. Ya kwakwebo. It's not an error. It's an aberration. It's an outsider arrangement for somebody who don't do abroad. Don't do a show for after 15 years for abroad. At the end of the day, it comes now. Now oloku the warrior. Come go Nigeria. Come go do. Oloku we no dem machine me. Oloku we no dem. After you don't see Alowi with ulale suti the obo. Ulale suti Alowi the obo. Where you where they back now in Nigeria. It's an error. Oh, but if you like to do the oloku, you still come abroad. You still remember you are. The thing where they worry you is different. Many of you are seeking that depression. Woman where get man for house, where they fuck 247. He go, oloku go run. Oloku they craze. When you oloku say doggy, oloku go run. Woman where come get man for house. In the night, we're going to worry you. We're going to say, oh, look, we're going to do that. Your husband give you, if from back they wear you, back. You say, oh, Rick Monsa, Sole, oh, mamma mia, oh, amore piano, amore piano, oh, amore mio. Where's the amore? Look, go stand like for a moment. Look, oh, we are not married, you could not make like Benny Yard, look, go back. Look, go travel. That they abroad, not going to form ojuju. Or you want to come meet for abroad. They use their brain. They economize their country to be okay, to be nice. They're not going to do juju. They're not going to do jazz. Maya muzobo yada. Or you want to go muzobo. No ya muyada. No muzobo yake. No fian ofeto. No ofeto no vibe. Why yeva? Tie ofeto chest. Put on for junction. Say esu lindo ya wena hiyo. Esu no kagele. Esu no kagele. Egun for me. Esu no kagele. Lindo ya wena hiyo. They're not going to do one. All now carry Bible. All now go be obaname. All now go be obano. For inside this abroad. Now here you go see woman. You go say in a native daughter. In now juju. You go come to talk. You go to preach. You go to preach about juju things. If on Sunday, if they carry Bible, if they go church for a city, you want to go pay thanks, you want to go to Thanksgiving. I don't get it. What is really wrong with our people? This depression for our abroad so don't high. That's why they beg for our boys. And they beg when I use go beg our men. So see, I'll put the saga of this man. When I do the stage with na prick. Wa mwami ko na like bedi. Wa ye kanye, wa finya mi no balo. Wa finya mi no balo. So that they go they wear, their brain go they correct. You don't know say prick the key depression. The biggest medicine, the highest medicine, the most active medicine, we go fit cure your depression for this life. Nagbola. Nagbola. You don't see person with depressed. You hang down, you give a doggy star. You wear that. You give a snake in the monkey shadow. You tell them pick your hero. You understand? Pick your hero. You give a size 11. Person will say they get depression. You give a size level, at least that size level say like 2 minutes for size level. 2 minutes size level. Make it straight in 2 legs straight for your chest. Make 2 legs just stand straight for your chest. Bend your waist well. Stand in 2 legs straight. They give a ta. Give a bomba to bomba for just 2 minutes. If that depression not vanish, you go know something from the talk. A depression in my leg. No go me ma. Oh, when one door. A lot of sickness. I'm telling you, there will be a time no go where feel where may you still collect water, especially when you down under your ovulation period. No matter what, your abdomen will go to pain you. You don't understand. When the vulva is supposed to collect spermazole, you don't see that sperm collect. It must feel like there's something wrong with her. The next thing, you pick when you born, before you gonna cost your children for that, you not go know. Because why? It's a problematic problem. You don't get it. You guys are not hearing me. If you are hearing me, power tap. You get my point now. All this mommy water of TikTok. You are born now. Why are you winner? Why are we here? Why are we here? I let you talk about what animal make be. Why won't you put have manners? If you want to know who never go to TikTok and see them. They are mommy water. They don't have characters. They will not tell you, Manivia Baname, my dear Wadoya. That's an error. That's a dirty Baname. Manivia Baname, my dear Wadoya, but that's an error. Nobody will use this river. Work on your character, my friend. Work on your character. Or whenever you want to have your wizard. Or whenever you want to have your wizard. Or whenever you a dirty woman has no character, has no character. Now the tossing and I'm picking. Not the still husband house. Today, Paul. Next tomorrow, Peter. The other one, James. The other one, Michael. And you see that they are poor. Your husband and want to give person money. It never make you rich first. When you are ye, when one married man, you know if you are way, if you know what living your bone, you are way pure lie. One man what away a friend for ye. Una no na. Mami what away she denyash. He say if I ask my if I am married, you go just bless me, bless you go just come, bless you if you was ye your bone, again, they got this again. Oh boy. I date that woman. I can't go backward. When I date that woman, that's true my day for yeah. My life today, now my brain, my sense what God give me. Nothing they move on. I date her. Immediately I leave her. I can't date my wife. We are married soon. And from that two room face me and face you house, I enter 1 room self-contained. From 1 room self-contained, I enter 2 bedroom. After I don't live there, abaname, ye. Mami what pick you. Go see her today. Am you married? Oh, you expect me look here with TikTok. Oh, you expect me look here with TikTok. Nothing what she not do today attracts me. It carry sweet go there forever. Ava baname, you go near river. Ava baname. Ide ovi wareo. Mami what ani yeme. Ovi wareo. You go there throw sweet forever. Fear let near the river. That one in menu menwa. E waria mo my me one e marry. O no dey I do. No the bony those kind of duties. E me hair marry. Oh God. See, Juju day. Juju ide. Make I let you understand. Juju day. Those days where all those things they work. Now the days of our forefathers. You see this Jay-Z life now, many of those things there now fake. That way they say most of the native doctor for Benin now fake of the beat now. Most of our women, or if you see that's why if you see the bring you come for me, I go beat the native doctor, I go beat the children, I go beat the wife. Me not go beat you when bring you come for me. Now the native doctor way bring come for me, now me go beat. So let me let you know say that native doctor way you believe also, I pass on. You understand? They don't affect the bee. They are useless people. You can imagine person when they work. If they do 8 hours work, 9 hours work, he will come get there and say, "Abaname, avia mama here, avia banana here, mami water men." They get that time. After fabrical work, don't jam your waist. After fabrical work, don't contain your pocket finish. You want to go as bath, sleep for the next day. We have a chance to get away. Oh, you're bad on the way. Now this song, this last song, this is a fake song. Women of them don't even think, men don't say this song not good, or this song not fake song, or not this song is supposed to be. This song now is supposed to be for man. Now man is supposed to use this song to take praise. I go to that twist out to women because he want blue, he want make money. This Obaname na man, not be woman. Obaname ni yeme. If to say Obaname ni ramen, in a man. Why is this? Nobody want praise man. Now so women. All the song now women. Iye-eki, all of them are women. Nobody want praise man. If the only song when they will stay praise man, they go twist out a woman. The only song when they for sing for man now very useless song, now generation song. Papa no de oh, Mama de has a holla. If you want to kill me, make I die. I will never follow you to that station. Of course, that's what Papa. He finished when they for sing Papa. All the sushi song na woman. This one na Obaname na ma. Obaname ne rame. Obaname ne rame. If you call lagba ne ramo. You understand? If you sing like that, I say if you call lagba ne ramo. Hey kya gidigba ne ramo. That one go let person know so okay na person na man. Choose the way go see the song. No say this song Obaname na man. Obaname no be woman. The woman was saying, "Mami water, me no odiame, you are me good, odiame." That is mami water. Jita boy, if you see mami water, never you run away. That one na Victor wife for that year. Mami water na woman. I don't know the reason why everyone that can turn you on upside down now. Turn up and will be man to woman, and many of us. Foolish woman that they dance with. Even the same woman when they shoot the video, now I call even mumu pass. No, you don't get up and say, you know Obaname. Obaname is supposed to be a man, not a woman. Obaname is a man. Now my God, not a woman. You get my point now? It's just like they say Mary Magdalene. Mary na woman. Jesus Christ, now man. Jesus. It is not fun, it's true. Because they deceive our children. This music, they deceive our children. Let's always straighten these musicians. Because they always sing this song for just their own pockets. Usually they corrupt the children. They usually corrupt the children. Look at women. I watched a video of all those stupid women coming out of the proud and saying they be Ogboni. The country is sinking. They have nothing to contribute. That to wear white and white say they be Ogboni. They are clapping for their side that they are proud of the Ogboni and they are fucking poor. Ogboni will not get money. Since I was born, and the time you say if you join Ogboni, you're rich. My papa John Ogboni, if not me, we enter abroad after me 10 children when they born. We are all fucking poor. Till today. Money they not get. Ogboni, at the end of the day, if your papa died, they come to collect the part of human people they chop for their body. Demonic things will be saying, you not help the country. They still continue doing it at this kind of era. The funniest part now, they're not pushing in celebrities to promote that dirty Curtis for those states. Curtis will not help. You not help our father. You not help our parents. They all die in abject poverty. Being an Ogboni. What dirty water they will give them? There's no ROF 33R. ROF no arrow, not even an F. Dirty so-called country where they clap for evil things. All of them are there abroad here. Now they see us abroad there here. Now they enjoy good life here. Good health, good electricity. They here. 24 hours electricity, they here. Many of them get hospital card. You get a doctor number for phone. Before this happen, you go call your doctor for phone. If they can't give you heart treatment, they'll come treat you for heart. What happened to the country where we forget to bony? What happened to the then country where we get a bony? You go hospital to see doctor, no problem. With your money for hand to see doctor, no problem. But that same Nigeria will come from. And then you get a bony. And then you get a sakwikan. And then you get asigidi. Then you get Ogidianonya so ye. Ogidianonya so ye. No go here. Up on all the Ogidian. As soon as so to have bandits. All the Ogidianonya so they are all sleeping in the nights. Why the bandits is not taking over? A bandit onya so ye. Iwe bandit onya so ye. A kidnapper onya so ye. Iwe kidnapper onya so ye. No go here. The man with the kidnap that na one strong man for Ogidian. The question for it. Oh God. The man with the kidnap for those state now one strong man for Ogidian. Ogidian yason. He na mo afan. Oh boy. Bandits grab for night. They carry go off here. They remove her go off here. You understand? Ogidian figi. You know you mo to audience. Then they call police. Police yo. Rescue. Oh, Pewaro. You will be Ogidian. You will be Ogboni, the cop. You don't say, oh, Lord. Ogidian, so ye. I will tell you that I'm Ogidian. Ogidian. Hey, you go get mu. Mananya son. May you vanish. Isaga. Poor bossy. Now money that they bill of Ogidian. For bandit. The full community do the money. Papa, mama, both of the side ground, Abela, why be 200 the body man in the Bible? They are everybody to know. See, it is funny, right? But it's the truth. It is our stuff when they get sense. When they get sense. All these barbaric acts, when they put us in a life of upside down arrangements. If you don't belong to Ogboni, and I'll give you position for government house. If you don't belong to this society, you don't get position. If you don't belong to society, I don't understand. What is wrong with our people? What's wrong with our people? Why can't they be wise? You even know the funniest part, some of these elderly people, some of them even travel come abroad. They don't see Asaboro be. But they will still be daft in that country. They can't change things. They can't change their mindset. They can't change their mindset. They start to read the answer here any year. You work with the answer here. Imagine person like Esther edokpayi come abroad, dance to abroad, walk out the whole Europe country down. At the end of the day, he's proud to be Ogboni. Your father was Ogboni. He died as a poor man. Your own father was Ogboni. He died as a poor wretched man. If not for destiny, ebagua that comes into your life, all your father's children of now were very fucking poor. Even if you are still poor. Poverty make una become sickle cell. Esther edokpayi family, poverty give them sickle cell. Poverty. It changed their blood group. As they poor rich, poverty changed their blood group. They cut on sickle cell. To the extent, native doctor impregnate Esther. They born last born for. As they poor rich. Oh, they don't feel happy, papa. My father fight John Ogboni. Ogboni no fit make Esther rich. As stupid as somebody will be for this life with this one. Wait till you wish when your part day. Your part of here for that witch. Your part of you go far for that witch. And I might think you bow as your father died poor. Or pronounced a strong person for Ogidian, for Ogboni. I have the picture of your father when your father was Ogboni. You get my point now? The father dies a poor wretched man. No one will let you off a man. Esther, Ogboni might take you away. Ogboni could not kill her. She was rushed to a native doctor. Anything that I call you a boy, no, not be a boy. Not be a boy. Hey, on don't. Oh, no, my rubber because of you. No, you're no woman. Oh, bear we. Esther no one. When my war here be me one. Oh, born in the well line now. My son, you wouldn't do be more. Esther. Asa on you no used to see. E boy my young winner. Baba ye fiak bri. Wa de iye-eki de o here wa de o here. Awa gbi. Ya ga area. Capacity lodge we na ku. Na ya mu ni vedo ya mu aburu. Capacity lodge we de iye-eki. You think you be no body go see help you? E kada we sinking eh. O iye-eki. Talk iye-eki. Arrogancy. What are your boys be carry away? Social media will build you. The same social media will bring you down. If you not take careful, social media will build you. The same social media will still bring you down, will frustrate you. That's social media for you. It depends on you. The kind of line where you did. If you did on the right line, the right track, no matter what people talk about you, social media can never bring you down. Because you know why? You're on the right track. Because there are some people on this social media, they go use out of hatred, they judge you. That is the reason why, if I judge you, I'm going to open people's eyes. Your evil eye, evil way they do, I could let Edo people they know. Wait. Also, you know, we say, everybody can see. You are destiny. I have market now. I am a destiny. You want to fuck with Umenwan. I am a destiny. Destiny man here. Okpano de yane. Oh, okpano de yane now. You see life? I just there to drink my beer. I want you. I want water the railway boo. Why I'm winner? Why I feel you what we get one more year when we can have your door. Why mommy? You women are not sick. The problem is that people have no character. Why won't you? Because you guys have no character, you decide to claim you have husband for sexy. Why more double was there? Why is there? Who not be fish? Now so that one come my house. He saying that mommy water in a fish, in on the chop fish. When the first time when they come my house, I fry, I cook yam and ekwe. I do yam and ekwe with scubian fish alongside with ewi. They prepare the ekwe for her. My sister can't go. I go with scubian. I saw you know when I'm here. This here. Oh, now we have my quadra. Sister, don't know a black soup. No, you handle the black soup. Or here, that's show me that we here. Over your banana, oh, yeah, mammy, what I hear. Oh, you're an osa loboa. Ou ya rivière ni vieux dans filo me hakwa. Ina mo nyi me ya we ban gote hu. Opa na me mati avio o me ha. O me ha the government mie we. How can you imagine a mother in abroad? Government collect rich for your hand. I say mommy water pick you are dirty mommy water. Mommy water na me o me ha. You be useless mommy water na. You know if you go inside river say, mommy water, iye no me, iya mi mo me ha. Iye no me, la ovio mo vegun o, vio mo vegun o, iye no me, mommy water me ebo mi mama o, ebo mi mama, vio mo vegun o, mommy wo, mommy water me ebo mi mama o, o mi mama vio no gbe o, mommy wo, mommy water. Oh boy. Wow, people for this abroad there, some of them, I don't know when I go take the say so. Oh, you bonus say you be mommy water picking. May fear, catch them. May they not collect picking for your heart. Hey, put me go more of your nokbia. When I want to pay you go more nokbia. Instead, nokbia pay you go more nowhere as child benefit. We're not going winning 9 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, 16 hours. Ya pay you go nokbia. No make it meet up. What an error. When you go tawe mami water baking. Okay, mami water in bubia. Mami water my neck bay. Mami water rami or mom your nukbia. You are a dirty mami water. You are a useless mami water. Eh, but mami water let it bow or more. Mami water could not take care of our children. And I milk back bow or nowhere. You are a setback mami water. It's an error mami water. It's mami water maboro. That's a maboro water. A Morocco mami water. You will not see a Morocco. Okay. Now look at their life today. Oh, it's all looking for platform to platform to platform to platform. Yet he total a platform here on. Near on a platform here, the hosts. If they can never on a platform and become the host, you can jump from personal platform to that personal platform. After a blog of your video game, for you to know how that you are backward. A blogger blog a video, man. You blog a video, man. You amigo the YouTube and TikTok or page. But no blogger want to blog a video because if he is backward or iye-eki. That's a mami water not failed. May God not let me be a goddess that cannot fight for myself. That's an error. Yes. We don't wear mami water. A government if you want, you don't like government libby. You will tell I will tell you guys I am the mami water right now. Ebo, fiawiya with you. Give me back my children. Collect the children from the father. Give it to me. Mami water. Mami water, what I mean? What I mean, mami water? Women. Fiawiya with you. Vio in a good. Yeah, I mean, away. Mo, yabaname. Yeah, Isagano. Woman, Mami water, I'm going to book. As an honorable way, I feel a sweet queen. Ebo frame, ebo for me. It's not a natural river. Ebo for me, I didn't see you. I mean, I had diverted la different city. It's so you run a situation with me as a bar. Hey, bo for me, we are so well communities so ubo, who there is a ubo, near ya pompe, near ya spray, a foot near ubo, a viniaco. Near ya spray. Amereva. Mami water by river. No, mommy, not of water. Just they play. Why, bua? Why, bua? I want more what is there with you. Take me away, mami water. Mami water, mami water, mami water. What am mami? Mama to our daughter. Isaga, Bobozi, or Guhu. Go and work on yourself, work on your character, my sister. Why won't you even? Just go check. Anybody where they claim water, they don't get character. Tell them they stay husband house. They are mannerless. Any mami water for this TikTok is a useless woman. They don't get character. As I come there now, you cannot expect me now to go marry a woman. We'll call celebrity ziggy. You go say that mami water go do makamaka. Agba obi. Abi very ya igagakwa. Rubbish. Why do I wear? Now all those kind of nyama thing. And I use those kind of nyama pef. All those kind of pef. I be pef no siazen. For this house. So kind all the way you go here, you want vomit. What to be right? Babola mami water gbe. I mami water mama neck be. Mami water ready to talk. How can you imagine somebody go there abroad? You wake up early morning. You go Nigeria, go do juju. You will pass Libya, enter abroad. You cross Libya, enter abroad. If you be really mami water, why you not jump from Matana Sea? As dangerous as that sea. Umade you way. Una ti yala webu. But you say webu ne, we mami water we. Be wow. When me why you now get the yeah, last one the one musi say ya musi. I mean, for 2 minutes, we there on the streets. Boy. Ufi moto kana gaku. Beke. No, we are the best steady. We are moto kana we are the best steady. We are the gallop. The shock of gogo. Musi, where you fiai. Ya is where do where. Oguname meno oguname. Even the late Oguname. The late Oguname now go in Nigeria that year. When that guy was in Europe, when that guy was in Germany, that guy broadcast that year. You would love it. You would love it. That Oguname will buy for Nigeria, will go Nigeria, you can't buy. When that guy do broadcast, he go inside bush. He talk about trees. He talk about the ancestors, the ancestral things. He go tell us this leaf. this sleeve, this is what this sleeve is made for. It will teach you things. Anybody who guesses, go learn. You understand? It just be like those days with this, where I live with my uncle that time, we be native doctor. He will carry me go inside bush. You understand? I was still very young then. He will carry me go inside bush. He going to teach me leaves. What is this leaf made for? What is this leaf made for? Some women will be say they are tummy. Maybe some all those kind of women will be say they get fibroids. They can't live where they go. Where you fit the mash for them, they drink. You go teach you. All those women will be say their blood, their period, not the flow. Their period, not the flow. You go tell you say if woman dey under menstruation, maybe you go just draw small. See the can't live where you go mash for make it drink. Before you drink this sleep for like 1 week, you go see how the period go burst. My uncle they teach me all those things that time. They go carry me go bush. So you understand? So you guess what kind of what we're going to tell me? Those words now words of mouth. You understand? We go back each other. We will stand for big tree like this. Big Uroko tree. Most of those things is being done in Uroko tree. If you can't reach the bush, and I talk life story now. If you can't reach the bush, big Uroko tree. If we go back the Uroko tree, we go back and we're not going to say ourselves, but we're going to hear ourselves. If you tell me I repeat after her. Bro, as they throw the word they come at the collector. As they throw the come at the collector. As they throw the come at the collector. As they talk at the, your head, your brain go open. Like that deep forest. Deep forest. This is the happen for middle of the night. Middle of the night. Nobody did everything. Deep forest. We will sleep bush. We'll sleep bush. You go see one teach you strong matter, strong things. You go try. We'll catch follow body. After you don't finish bar. If not 30 minutes or 1 hour I want to teach you. Now 5 things you want to teach you that night. You go make sure that 5 things you learn now. And you know that night. You know that night. We'll do a finish bar. We'll bring all your customer, you lick all here. Till they break. They go break everybody, go mask go ass. The next party will go party. No, not go any party. Now 6 that it leaks so 6. The bad not die now. We'll not go any party. You understand? This one are olden days will be saying, if you slap person like this, if you tell you say after your hand go swear. Your hand, this one that hand go take slap us. Baba, you go pay. This one say the police go arrest you, that they arrest you. You know they knock you back. You don't go knock you back. You don't go hear this way. They'll carry follow any all the data. Unless they tell you say who you slap, which person you slap, go beg who you slap. Now who you slap go feel make this your hand come down. On your brother come bokuta, mwenya. All those things that what you they collect property that time for area. When you do want to person, area boys go see bo. Everybody will call the beat you. I beg, I need that. When they collect property for their hand, you understand? That I beg, I need that. When they collect property for their hand, you understand? That year we go other Bitcoin, all those children Bitcoin. The year they do not, money water. The year up for body, the year type beat for neck. The year they do not for TikTok. Sister, ya don't need. Go and repair, go and work on your character. Nothing like mommy water. No mommy water for abroad. Who am I? Go and work on your character and get a husband and be happy with your family. Stop the dirty life you are living abroad. Oh, you go with they are okay. They don't get mommy water. They don't misbehave. Don't see you both TikTok. They say, mommy water. Mommy water. Mommy water. Instead the sea. Mommy water. Instead the sea. Oh God. Not even enter Bini. Bini your day anyway. They must change everything. TikTok not talk to mommy water. Now so they enter Facebook. As they monetize Bini. They don't monetize Nigeria. Facebook spoil. My Zuckerberg spoil everything for Facebook. He remove everything with it for Facebook. Live screen for Facebook. Live avatar now. They remove one. Facebook not even pay better money again. Now coins. Send money they pay for how many thousands for views. Many people they use Facebook they build us now. All those Nigeria content creators, how many does it not open house this year? And I ask you that. How many does it not open house this year? Like last year, last 2 years, where they open house, they celebrate house. Ramai build us, the Bravo build us, this one build us, this one. How many you don't see now? Undan yoga shawo, or we move bove. Many people. Not to be con their hand on the church. Not TikTok now. Even when TikTok they win. They want to see virus TikTok now. And why be now? Now so mommy water. You call your mommy water. I just screw Facebook. I just screw this TikTok. So mommy water. So do you know the oh God help our women. God help our women. Do you know the funniest part? These women don't sleep for nights. Me, I sleep. I wake up around 3. I wake up after 3 for night. I say, okay, I go peace. I pay free, but I drink without cold water. Make I enter TikTok. So they send me invitation. Somebody send me invitation when I didn't actually sleep. They send me invitation. I dey screw. I dey see women. Mommy water. I dey see women. Why problem? Why here? Why here? I never come to talk. Let me say, Igbo they say, mommy water. Igbo people, mommy water. That's so bini. Okay, mommy water. Why here? Mommy water. Igbo no just talk to mommy water for TikTok. What did they know? Why here? If to say you get husband for house, 3 o'clock for night, you go see they do mommy water. No, now. All the class are the truth. Odoero. Why don't you know? No, make an BECKY. Oh boy, boys. What did they say? People that they make this way they come. I come here, they say, I get men where they find wife. Because now no say me, I don't tolerate nonsense. If you don't get character, I go give man to you. The man complain of you and I say you are a dirty woman, go disgrace you. That's why many women they wrong. Because we don't give you man now. The man can't do misbehave. The man not learn from waiting at the talk show or zoo. He don't disgrace the social media. He don't bear you. He never hear you. Also, most of these women they wrong. Quite frankly, why are you here, man? Because you cannot expect me not to come. You can't use your dirty character to spell my name. Why? I just tired. Our women don't want to marry again. We need to know character. Because you cannot imagine say, woman will get husband. The husband is romantic. The husband sign will say, we here to we are making we do that way. Abi mami water, abi banana, abi ye no man, abi ye no look, abi ye no. Ya jolly ni me yi sister. Oh what be? I want my yari. Oh when I go Benny, oh what the ticket to one Nigeria, oh ya horrible. That's an error. Oh, no, how rich you are now? What's your network? In the other country where you are still where you are, bro. Don't you see you are going backward? Business-wise, do not get. You get 20 million. For you to use your 20 million to invest, you go use your 20 million to do. You understand? This is the problem I have with my elder sister. You see what I talk about? Now my elder sister get problem today. Oh yes. Now what makes me and she get problem? I don't want to say they plan to go to do a webo. Webo. The name because your husband and not daughter. You won't go to webo. You understand? He just come and say, my brother, I don't put business. I say, you don't put business here. That's nice. With the joy of me, say, okay, she does still put business. I should come pocket and give her money. Say, take, I dash you. I use her out your business. To use her to boost your business. From my heart, immediately I give her money back. The next time, my sister got to organize a webo. The next thing I see, say, it does send me a registration card for your webo. I say, what? You want to do it? You want to go say, wait, tell me the reason why people make you webo. What's your problem? Who they pursue you? What they worry you want to make you webo? What's be your problem now? When you fixing a because they worry you. He say, yeah, it's like business where they do. Make we just start. Make money they come. That's okay. That means if you don't have a webo, you can't reach Abi, and it's also female. Maybe by that time you will come Nigeria so that we can stay everywhere. Everybody can get money, Abi. Since we take a webo, few years later, ask me one naira. Oh God. Because the husband, they can't just go juju things. Do you understand? But when he don't reach, no. He don't buy moto, no. He don't buy keke, no. He don't buy bicycle, no. Oh, what ya ya. Le net de waka, rest de waka. Pendant dia akwa bonnet, akwa wahala, akwa de iye-eki, akwa mami bomaso wae, akwa yane. Oh, what ya ya. She's still backward. Yes now. Common sense not common. Again, when you say take out to your business, boost your business. You go to kwakwebo, go to kwakwewala, go to kwakwa degiyeki, and you are still degiyeki. Omala go down. When somebody they tell man, when they advise now, no they use brain. How can you there abroad? You carry every money, you get that money, you go Nigeria. We don't care about we are kwakwebo. I zoro legawa. I belaga. Look, man, we no dem machine. Kawo. You gonna twist your neck. Kawo. Oh boy. What's the one we made? I said it be where I social media. I said, everybody waste money, Jesus. You know how much be one goat? Goat we are got price now, day for yesterday. They tell me 150,000. 150,000. Ram, they tell me 370,000 naira for ram. Oh, one. Now you they go to buy me goats. One go to hey God. So I said this one an idiot. Jesus. I said this one an idiot. But we don't know all your baby invest. They invest. As a single mother, government they give you money. You get children. Almighty God, the business men want do. Or you made they do online business. Or you made they sell clothes online. Or you made the other things online they sell. My brother, I they sell clothes, I they sell with phone, I they do this one, I they cook online, I they do catering work, they do all these things. Instead of to check them carefully, think of some little business we going to do. We're not going to implicate you for the countryside where you did. If possible, you can have a business where you can register it. You can have a business where you register it. This is why it's not before. You see me where yesterday. You see this TikTok where they so it's registered. Business where they do here. I registered it. I pay tax on it every year. You get me now. So anything where they do, my broadcast now register. It's registered. If I video, you tell me say, how you go video people? Call police call. I go get my paper where I break command. You understand? I go get my paper where I break command. People have been here for years, but they don't know this. They don't get this idea. So when you get her, they go say, I beg you not stress it. I beg you not stress it. It's for your side protection, for your side to build yourself, build your documents. Many of you don't know. Your mates they open Africa shop for your city. Some of you now get the money past those who get the Africa shop. You not get the money past those who get Africa shop. But why you no what do? Why did I go to Yakwebo? Why ready to where go to Yakwebo? A lot of our women are very, very smart for this abroad. Bro, see, focus with the blast song. We get some smart niggas women out there, man. See, if they get small 1 naira, they go turn that 1 naira to become 20 million. Now brain they get. Now so we see get men we get that brain. But most of our women with the make notes for this TikTok, they are so daft. They do nyama things. They can lie, they can gossip, they feel they call with you 2 hours. Now you have to worry. Anything when they part of my life, anything when they put food to my table, I don't know if you spend long or call with you. Because I still call with people who say they get brain. Then they talk, I will see pick from there. Act on my own. No, they give you wisdom. You know they give me. You understand? They could have do something for themselves. They could have think of something when I go to do. All this mommy water. Come on, suppose they see they give you now. If you go physically gather, when I gather, I say something. Only get the latest problem now. It is very, very wrong. As a woman, you there abroad, you from mommy water. TikTok. Now what for now? That's why they beat the real, because they're spawner. Now they're spawner. See, real juju where they work. You know, they take camera. Now code. I tell my word just now. When I did my uncle for village that year, in the middle of the night, I will value them on huddle. We would take back of trees. Or local tree. No local tree. They will back each other with the throwways. Baba, that tree must go down. That tree where that thing for sub must go down. That tree must go down. See, you get what I don't never understand. Some that village that year, look some pantry, all those banga, you go just drive for standing. So they go to thunder striker. I just look at like, why thunder don't they strike the small one? You know, ask yourself questions. Say, why thunder don't they strike those banga, those pantry, the small one? Why this one don't talk, go up? You know, also you go just drive for stand, thunder go just strike. No, the secrets. Made it night like this. If you not go reach, you not reach see local tree. You go see banga, all those hologram, Eddie. You go Eddie. You stand for Eddie with the battle word. That battle word where they talk so now real spiritual battle. Now that banga they collect them. That banga can never pass that year. It can never pass that year. It must dry our wimuda. Oh, wimuda. Banga they carry dry. Cause banga carry water. Or let's you see what you kill them. I want something kill them they dry. Why we may come here? For Bible na meow. No anything. If the meet no one they throw or something now. Why one zoo? Why munaze? Why munuso? Why muno tutare? Why you boy see? So when they form water, they do making. I just they look there. When I my friend get sad. Only more you talk to myself. Which kind of mood be this one? I bet this is perfect. We're on a lawa. Now you walk beside Mune. And beside Mune, pizza over here and whatsoever. And then what you talking? You have video see the money more the more we know him. A bomb in see the money. You have here. Yeah, you have way. You want like you have it talking that way. That's why I tell you, you talk rubbish. Viebe yin obo. We're not go booking. Viebe yin obo. Fiebe. Nous tiens ni nous fini nothing. Even we fear, even we tiens nothing. Even nothing. Nonsense. Many things you guys don't know. It's bigger than you guys. Oh boy, I don't fear where here obo. That's normal. People can look to your eyes and be telling you your life story. Now follow come. I watch the TikTok. Now we obo. On a win on him. On a win. If I can hear, he'll be wa woman. We never queen one. We never queen one. Oh, in you be in be. You want to go moku. And then you want to go moku. Or ready to talk about kicking to talk. Et moi, il m'a dit que il y a des mots. Et que non, il y a des mots. Or beaucoup qui TikTok. I'm not running or Philip. We go with TikTok. Rubbish set of people. Where you misbehave, you don't feel boy go here where because you are on TikTok. You don't care about your children anymore. You're on TikTok, you're playing on TikTok, you don't even care, don't even monitor your children, don't know what they are doing. When you are here, the most will be problem. Yeah, what go and carry your food there. Oh yeah, meat, or meat take baby. Go and carry your food there. Oh yeah, this is a boy. We know why. I don't know why. Ekinaze do agbe agya. Amami abeg mami boy agbebo. Why is with TikTok? Why is with TikTok? When you tell the truth, you become enemy. I are able to give on Nigeria. A Bebo squad. The same thing you people did when you were doing road work. What happened here? Apostle ke wala gbashawo. Why have you Bebo? Obo, daddy, batamosa. Atakwe baba. When I go see apostle, I the Bebo ge. I tell you so how ilela. aya ati ezo ba wayilala. That one na life. Was there do ware Nigeria wa gbigbi agere wa be free bi muni gbi agere human trafficking must stop. Wa be la wa so ma wo ne gbu wa ne wa wan be fi were here. Oh guy, I just forget. Destiny, I see you. You really send me. You get one guy they call him opportunity. I just call this guy out. Hey, where the guy pitch yourself? Me. Potpourri of Madrid. Call me. Your attention is needed. Wanna help me call that guy they call Potpourri of Madrid? Yes, that guy they call Potpourri of Madrid. Potpourri of Madrid. Your attention is needed. Very, very important. Very, very important. Potpourri. Potpourri of Madrid, they call them. Does you know where go where say in say my yeah bang bang bang. Hold on, okay. Let me check. Potpourri of Madrid. Potpourri of Madrid. Your attention is needed, though. Terry Madrid Osas. I know you know where Potpourri and want to Potpourri. And we're in Madrid, Spain. Deep Maya. You understand? Potpourri of Madrid. You may have picture well at you understand? I never want to bring your picture come out or your family picture me and bring come out. No. I want to give you a little piece of advice as a man. You feel me so? The person where you hold 600 something euro. How much they want? Let me check. 680 euro. The woman where you hold 680 euro. Where you supply you perfume. And since then you say the woman not going to do anything. You understand? You say don't fit do anything, may go to her. Not be social media, may go to her, don't fit do anything. Oh yeah, pa. Nobody will not fit do anything. That's the truth. That one I have to make math for women, Your matter don't reach my table. Not just your matter, your family matter don't reach my table. You understand? Go to your elder sister with the say rice. Your elder sister with the say rice. All my details, I don't get all of them. You understand? I just want to let you know, say, somebody if you do something. That's the one. Potpourri of Madrid. I don't want to bring your picture. Come on, me, I call this guy you now. I want to hear your own side of the story. So, what you man, you might go on. Not for live video outside. So, we'll diagnose this matter inside house for peace to reign. You understand? Because me, I like to make peace. Or say nothing on that level. But if you don't want that peace, then here you are, man, here you are. You understand? I told you, Masafian will hear me that. That woman, so, where you collect money, so, it might be your sister. As your sister, they sell rice for Beniso. They go buy a bag of rice for your hand. As they buy a bag of rice for your hand, they don't pay. You supply the bag of rice, they don't pay. Will you be happy if you hear that kind of a thing? When I cut this particular people, go give Potpourri of Madrid. As your sister, they sell rice, or two way not to work in your king, go to me. I not give if I not worth like 1 million. Because 680 euro now is close to it's more than 1 million plus. It's close to almost more than 1 million. You understand? It's not worth more than 1 million. Or to know who you can give any year I know you go in my mere on where every rock bao. Potpourri, will you be happy? Where I want 1 hour and we will not deal with it. Why am I young one? You want to know who? I'm going to deal with you. You don't understand? If not the dreams of women, not the knock women share through, not the shopping when they put pepper for women hearts for abroad. You not go forget some still get sister. Plus if you still drill your sister. You don't understand? Why on it why if now your sister they do that kind of thing. You see what they talk now? Women do this abroad say they get sense, that they do business. They do all this small life business. So this one, they sell perfume. Okay, I like your perfume. I want to buy perfume. You buy, you pay. You buy, you pay. Now, you need to show people like this. And your friend is that perfume too good. Oh. Supply us perfume. No, what if you bring the money? If you bring the perfume, we'll pay the money. He supply you perfume finish now. You don't give him money. You go marry him. Then from there you the toaster. Okay, my quiet relationship. You go get no business. Man, again. We be look my way. That toaster, man, we. Bro, I don't understand. I don't get it, bro. I don't understand when you behave in a way, boy. The funniest part, I'm not picture where we are. This one a correct person. I'm not gonna. But to him, what? He says something else. He says something else entirely. It is very, very bad, bro. I feel me really. Because what you they do, person, think I'm going to your own sister. And you get the funniest part, you will still get sister. When they manage for herself, when they try to hustle for herself. As difficult as Benina, your sister they begin the hustle. They work hard to earn a living. You there abroad, they do for true. Oh my banner. Ma make sense. Bro, I never carry your picture come out. Call me, it is very, very important. You understand? If I move picture with Asian, if I move picture with Asian, this one disgrace you, you will not like it. You will not like it. You get my point. You will not love it. You will not love it. No, no, not my number. You got my number. And I'm here. You want to call me? Come with the line. You said they cut that line. You call the other line. Or you just let me call you back on this line. I think I have your number here. I guess so. If Rakamozu was in America and in America. Oh my God! I want to speak English right now. You know what I'm saying? So, baby, what's up? How you doing? Hello? Hello? What's up? It's my network. Or my network. So I call the console. Wait, me have to mute this phone first. You get my point now. So,